Are constant Windows 11 update notifications bothering you? Stay tuned for the next 10 seconds, and I'll guide you on how to stop those pesky notifications. Let's get started. Click on Start and select Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Pause for 1 week. Go to Start and click on Settings. Head over to Windows Update, click on Advanced Options. Switch the toggle off for the Download Updates over Metered Connections option. Go to Search, look for gpd.msc, and click on the Group Policy Editor. Once it is displayed in the search results. On the left pane, under Local Computer Policy, click on Computer Configuration. Double-click on Administrative Templates. Select the Windows Components option. Locate Windows Update and open it. Now select Manage End User Experience. Double-click on the Configure Automatic Updates option. Select the disabled option to turn off automatic updates on your Windows 11 PC. Click on Apply and OK to save the settings. Use the Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc in the text field and hit Enter. Locate Windows Update and double-click it to open the Properties tab. Under the General tab, select Disabled from the drop-down menu from Startup Type. Click on OK and apply to save the settings. Press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run box. Type Regedit and hit Enter. Navigate to H key, Local, Machine, WUM Software 1 Policies-O, Microsoft Windows. Here you need to create the Windows Update and AU Automatic Updates folders. Right-click and choose New key to create the Windows Update folder. Now under the newly created folder, right-click again, choose New key and rename the folder AU. The location should now look like this: H key, Local, Machine WUM Software, WUM Policies-O, Microsoft Windows, Windows Update, AU. Right-click on the white space and select New DWORD 32-bit value to create the No Auto Update value. Now right-click on the newly created value, No Auto Update value, and select Modify. Set the value to 1, click on OK, and restart the PC for the changes to take place. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Au revoir.